In today's video, I'm taking you inside my newest listing, 510 Horizon Court in Latitude Margaritaville, one of the funnest 55 and better communities here in the Southeast. So if that interests you, stay tuned because we're gonna tour the house and we're gonna talk about this incredible neighborhood. So don't go anywhere, we're getting after it right now. I am super excited to show you my newest listing here in Latitude Margaritaville. This is 510 Horizon Court. This is a cabana model. This is built in 2024 and it's never been lived in. You've got a 2-car garage here. It's got really nice curb appeal and architectural details on the front. 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, about 2,393 square foot of living space. If you look up, you'll see some really cool decorations here. Those pineapples in the shutters definitely gives you the Latitude Margaritaville vibe. All right, now, after we come in through that huge oversized glass front door, you can look up to these soaring ceilings and it makes this house feel so spacious. And I love the fixture that they put here in the entryway. It definitely gives it that nice coastal vibe that people are looking for when they're coming to the South Carolina Lowcountry. Now, right off to the right is kind of the guest area. So you have 2 guest bedrooms right here on the right side of the hallway. And I love the fact that they've done hard surface throughout. And I love the color of this flooring. I love the natural light that's coming into this room. Of course, you've got your closet right there. And then in between the 2 guest bedrooms is the guest bathroom. And you'll notice this guest bathroom actually has tile all the way from the shower tub combo all the way up to the ceiling. That is an upgrade. And I love those vertical large tiles. And I love the privacy window there that lets in the natural light. Definitely a luxurious feel to this. And then the other guest bedroom is right here next to the guest bath. Again, I don't have any lights on here. You can see the natural light just flooding in and really accentuating the beautiful colors of those floors that are in there. And of course, if people are gonna come visit you in Margaritaville, you gotta put them up in style. They're probably not gonna wanna leave once they get the vibe of, you know, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. That's the lifestyle here in Latitude Margaritaville. But as we continue down that entryway corridor, you can see those ceilings are just soaring. And then off to the left here, notice there's a pocket door right here. I think that's super cool. And that's leading into the laundry room and then ultimately out to that 2-car garage. And this is a finished garage. So that means it's been mudded, taped, sand painted, baseboards, everything. It looks really nice. So if you want to keep your collector classic car out there, you can. But right here off to the left, this is the flex room. Okay, so this could be your office. This could be another kind of sitting room. This could be a library, however you want to use it. I don't know, comment down below and tell me how you would use that flex room. And of course, we've got this powder room here. So if you have guests over for dinner or drinks or whatever after playing pickleball, they don't necessarily have to go into the bathroom being used by your guests. But now we're actually getting to the best part. This is the kitchen gathering space combination. And this is a chef's dream right here. So you've got this huge island with the sink in the island. These are all quartz countertops. So they have not, you know, they haven't scrimped on anything. White cabinets are timeless. They're gonna go with anything forever. The tile backsplash is an upgrade and I love kind of that bluish black color. And this is actually a fairly large pantry here. And so I love these pendant lights over here. And then this is the best in my opinion. You've got this gas burner stove. And so if you're a foodie or you're a chef or you enjoy entertaining or cooking, And then you've got this beautiful hard surface flooring throughout here, and it definitely gives it that island vibe and that kind of tropical coastal vibe. And again, you've got vaulted ceilings going up into that tray cutout area. I'm kind of zooming in here so you can get a feel for that flooring, but that is the hottest flooring color going right now. So I love it. Comment down below, tell me if you love it. But we're gonna make our way over to the primary wing of the house. And I like that there's like a little hallway going back into the primary bedroom instead of the door just opening to the living space, so you have a little bit extra privacy. Now, as we go in, you'll see there's closets to the left and there's closets to the right. So, you know, if you're a couple and you're moving here, somebody can have this closet on the left, and it looks like there's already a Latitude Margaritaville shirt waiting for you. Maybe we can get that to be included in the sale, so you can start living that lifestyle. And then you've got this closet over here to the right. And again, these come with what's standard in the community with the wire rack. But again, some people will go ahead and have like custom closets put in afterwards to suit their own taste, whether they collect more shoes or purses or hats or clothing. It can depend how you want to lay your closet out. But I love the vaulted ceiling here. I love the flooring. I love the wallpaper that they put on here. It definitely puts you in that frame of mind. And this would be your relaxation place right here. This is your peaceful spot. This is your haven. It's looking out over the backyard into the woods. So you're gonna see all kinds of birds and wildlife, and super, super private. And we'll talk more about the lot later, but this is an ultra premium lot. It does not get any better than this in Latitude Margaritaville. It's super deep, it's wooded, it's private, and they're very hard to come by. So if you are a lot, I'm gonna say it, if you're a lot snob, like I would be, this is a perfect house for you. Now, let's keep going. And I want to show you this primary bathroom, which is incredible. There is nothing in this house that is standard. Everything in here has been upgraded. It is incredible. Look at this huge walk-in shower. It's got tile from floor to ceiling. It's got the frameless glass. It's got the privacy window. And I mean, it's huge. Let's just admit it. You could, I say this all the time, you could throw a party in that shower. I mean, it is enormous. And you've got the dual vanity right here, so you can get ready and your significant other can get ready, or who knows, if you're coming here single and looking to mingle, maybe the new person you just met down at the pool might be over there brushing their teeth. I don't know. And of course, you've got the water closet here, so everybody's got their privacy. And I just wanted to show you guys this really cool pocket door. I'm a big fan of pocket doors. All right, now we're getting to, I mean, it's all been the good part, but this is really the good part. Look at this humongous triple slider. It goes, and then it goes, and then it goes, and it continually opens up the entire backside of this house. And I promise you, these things are not cheap to put in. This house did not spare any expense, but when you get this thing completely open, it opens up the entire back of the house, and it's the epitome of indoor-outdoor living. And if you're in the South Carolina Lowcountry, or in Latitude Margaritaville, we have the most beautiful spring and fall and mild winters. And you can just imagine having a social gathering out here, and you've got your barbecue or your smoker, or maybe you've got a hot tub out here on the patio, and you've got a seating area, and you've got this amazing view of these woods. So you're gonna be able to throw great parties out here and relax, or I don't know, personally, I would probably just put like a TV somewhere over on this wall over here, and this would be like my outdoor chill spot. Maybe have a cigar and watch a baseball game, or sit out here and cook a brisket, or maybe even just take a nap out here. But I do want to go out to the backyard because, as I mentioned, This is the creme de la creme lot in Margaritaville. They don't get any better than this. A lot of Margaritaville homes, you're looking at other homes, you're looking at other people, but this is completely private, completely wooded, and if you like privacy or if you are a nature lover, it doesn't get any better than this. I'm gonna walk out to the woods here and just give you a quick peek. I'm gonna turn around and look back at the house just so you get an idea for what the back of the house looks like. Do you want to know everything there is to know about the South Carolina Lowcountry, whether it's Bluffton, Beaufort, Hilton Head Island, or Jasper County? Then subscribe below and tap that bell for notifications so you'll know every time I drop a new video. My name is David Simcox, host of this channel and a local real estate agent. I get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to make their move here, and I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 3 days, 3 months, or even 3 years, go ahead and go to our website, lowcountrylifestylesteam.com, fill out that form so we can book a Zoom call and get to know each other a little bit better. Now, let's keep going and move on with the video. Now let's talk about this incredible community in this amazing area. If retirement is calling and you're dreaming of sunshine, flip-flops, and endless fun, you are going to love what's waiting here at Latitude Margaritaville Hilton Head. This isn't your ordinary 55-plus community. It's where every day feels like a getaway. Nestled in Hardeeville, South Carolina, just minutes from Hilton Head Island, Latitude Margaritaville is designed for active adults who want more than just a home. This is a lifestyle inspired by Jimmy Buffett's easygoing tropical vibe where neighbors become friends and every day brings a new adventure. Music is the heartbeat of this community. At the Latitude Town Square, you'll find an outdoor band shell hosting live concerts every week and entertainment nearly every night. From concepts and movie nights at the Last Mango Theater to laid-back events with friends, there's always something happening here. Are you hungry? Are you thirsty? The Bar and Chill restaurant is your go-to for tropical cocktails, delicious food, and good company. Whether you're dining indoors or on the patio or by the pool, this is where neighbors gather, laughter flows, and yes, boat drinks are always on the menu. Staying active here is as easy as stepping out your front door. The fitness center offers cardio machines, free weights, and group classes, from yoga and spin to strength training. Outside, you'll find pickleball courts, tennis, bocce ball, and even a full basketball court. Whether you're chasing goals or just having fun, there's something for everyone. Life by the water doesn't get better than this. At the Lake Latitude Club, you'll enjoy a white sandy beach where you can soak up the sun, kayaking and canoeing across the peaceful water trails, and yes, the famous Finsball Field for a lively wiffle ball tournament with friends. Whether you're paddling at sunrise or battling it out on the wiffle ball field, this is where memories are made. If you're craving that endless vacation vibe, then go to the Paradise Pool. It delivers. Imagine floating under the sun, sipping a cocktail from the poolside bar, and relaxing beneath tiki huts surrounded by swaying palms. This is what retirement looks like when you trade stress for sunsets. Pets get the VIP treatment too. The Margaritaville Dog Park is where furry friends play while neighbors catch up. And after a romp in the park, treat your pup to some pampering at the on-site dog spa. Retirement isn't just about relaxing, it's also about rediscovering what you love. At the Pottery Playground Studio and the Hangar Workshop, you can explore your creative side, whether that means painting, sculpting, woodworking, or tinkering with your next DIY project. Latitude Margaritaville Hilton Head puts you right where you want to be. From here, you're close to pristine beaches, world-class golf, and the rich cultural experiences of Savannah and Charleston. It's no wonder Hardeeville ranks as among the top 25 small towns to live in across the United States. Here, retirement isn't the end of the story, it's the start of your next big adventure. With incredible amenities, a vibrant community, and that famous Margaritaville spirit, life here feels like paradise because it is. I hope you enjoyed touring this incredible home in one of the funnest communities for 55 and better lifestyle, Latitude Margaritaville. And of course, if I can help you find your own Lowcountry lifestyle, go to lowcountrylifestylesteam.com and fill out the form so we can book a Zoom call to get to know each other a little bit more. I hope to meet you at some point in person, but if not, I hope to at least see you on the next video.